Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are fine. In this video I am going to give you full information of English International Olympiad, that is EIO. First of all, talking about the English Olympiad. English is one of the most loved subject among students. All the credit goes to its storytelling approach of learning. Comprehension, essay, letter, grammar, prose and poetry makes it interesting to participate in English International Olympiad. English International Olympiad exam aims to improve English spellings, grammar, sentence structure and master students' language skill. Learning a language is a never-ending process. Such subjects always have scope for improvement. This can be done only with sheer hard work, love for the subject and deep diving dedication. The purpose of the English Olympiad exam is to improve the skills of the student by making them familiar with the basic important concept. Therefore, Indian Talent Olympiad exam help students to get an exposure to face national and international English Olympiad level competition. Students from different schools across the country participate in this exam. The test comprises of knowledge and competence in English language. The exam is open for students from class 1st to class 10th. Now talking about how to apply for EIO, that is English International Olympiad. Interested schools must register with Indian Talent Olympiad online. Indian Talent Olympiad will automatically get in touch with schools and help them to enroll its students for Olympiad exams. This exam is conducted in 2 levels and consists of all multiple choice questions. Students who qualify the first level can sit for the second level. Indian Talent Olympiad rewards deserving students with prizes and awards, topping in English Olympiad exam at international level. Now talking about syllabus of English International Olympiad. The syllabus for this exam is the same as prescribed by the CBSE, ICSE and State Board. Thus it caters to the need of different boards. The objective of this exam is to test students' English knowledge against the others. Apart from this, it makes them thorough in sentence structures, part of speech, comprehension and improves their writing skills at large. English is one of the important language that demands good command. Both spoken and written skills are equally important. It makes them confident and builds their communication skills. There are no specific criteria to participate in these exams. Also, there is no minimum requirement. It welcomes all those who want to improve their language skills. However, you can check out the topics for each class from the link which is given in the description area. And now, talking about how to prepare for English International Olympiad. Indian Talent Olympiad provides workbooks to practice for the International English Olympiad exam. The workbooks are available for all the classes. Sample question paper and last year question paper is also available for all the classes. When you will study from it, then you will come to know how content is carefully crafted according to the class. And at last, you might be thinking that what is the price of Olympiad? Indian Talent Olympiad charges minimum price for Olympiad exams. Students can opt to participate in these exams by paying just Rs 150 per month. They get to participate in online Olympiads every second and fourth Saturday. The reason for the price being kept so low is to encourage maximum participation. The exams are open for all schools and all boards. For more details on the registration process, price of Olympiad, books or question paper, please visit other videos available on this channel. Do not forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.